Hey there, orchid lovers. Welcome to my little piece of paradise. I've tried every method to get my orchids to bloom, and finally, this changed everything. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some easy yet powerful tips to keep your orchids healthy and blooming beautifully. My orchid today has rotting roots and is struggling to grow. Remove the yellow leaves. The leaves have turned yellow and are wilting, and the orchid Let's remove the moss and old soil so we can properly care for the roots. Where in the world are you watching from? Drop your location in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. It seems like the roots are quite rotten and hasn't been taken care of for a while. Rinse your orchid thoroughly with clean water. Don't worry if the language is tricky. Our videos offer subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. We will carefully trim the rotten roots of the plant to remove any damaged areas, allowing the healthy roots to thrive. Let's dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda in the water to help clean and treat the roots. It can help clean plant roots by removing some of the fungus or bacteria that may have been causing root rot. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Rice contains vitamins like B vitamins, potassium, and amino acids that help nourish the plant, promoting healthy growth and flowering. We'll dry the plant off to make sure it's not too wet. Don't worry if the language is tricky. Our videos offer subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more. Next, we'll use cinnamon powder to dry out the cut areas and help prevent infection. Cinnamon helps prevent fungal infections, which is important for orchids, especially after cutting or trimming damaged parts like roots. With the remaining baking soda water, let's use it to soak the moss. This will help disinfect and clean it, ensuring it's safe for the orchid. Soak it for 30 minutes. Filter the solution through rails. We'll dip a cotton ball in rice water and use it to gently clean the orchid. After soaking the moss for 30 minutes, we'll take it out and squeeze out the excess water. We'll secure the orchid and plant it using the moss. Don't forget to water the plant thoroughly to make sure it's fully soaked. Do you prefer big orchid blooms or longer-lasting flowers? Comment 1 for big blooms or 2 for long-lasting flowers. The flower spike has grown taller and is now preparing to bloom. The orchid has shown significant improvement with stronger and more resilient roots. Let's continue taking care of it together. With this solution, we'll water the orchid 3 times a week. This will provide the right balance of nutrients and moisture without overwatering, helping the plants stay healthy and thrive. Six months later, the orchid's roots have significantly improved. They are now thicker, healthier, and a rich, creamy white color, indicating strong and active growth. The petals have fully bloomed, showing off their vibrant colors and beautiful texture. The flowers are now in full bloom, adding a stunning touch to the orchid and completing its transformation into a healthy, flourishing plant. That's it for today, orchid lovers. I hope you found this method helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more orchid care tips. Let's keep our orchids happy and thriving together.